Hello guys, my name is Srinivasrao. I'm a Python trainer. I have 20 years of experience both in project experience as well as the teaching experience. So in this session, we'll be discussing iterative statements under flow control. Under flow control. See, we had discussed in flow control, we have discussed conditional statements. We discussed this conditional statements. In conditional statements, we discussed if else, if else, and nested if else. And also, we discussed what is match case. We discussed what is match case with debugging. Okay, and if you want to watch this, please watch in the playlist. In this session, we'll discussing about iterative statements. We'll be discussing what iterative statements in flow control. These statements. In iterative statements, there are two types of iterative statements in Python. One is for loop and one is while loop. Here in Python programming, we don't have do while loop. In other language like C, C++, Java, and JavaScript, we have while loop, do while loop, and for loop. Here in Python, we have only for loop and while loop. So one by one, we'll discuss one. We'll start with while loop. So what is while loop? First, before this one, we must learn actually what are loops. What are loops in Python? Any language, not only it's Python. What are loops in Python? How many types of loops are there in Python? Okay, we will see. We'll see. In computer programming, a loop is sequence of instructions that is continually repeats until a certain condition is met. Again, I repeat, a loop is a sequence of instructions that is continually repeats until a certain condition is reached. And here in Python, yeah, there are two types of loops. One is while loop and one is for loop. Okay, we'll start with while loop. Now, what is while loop? The while loop statement repeatedly executes a block until the condition is true. It's keep on repeating. When the condition becomes false, it will terminate the loop, or it will exit the loop, or it will come out of the loop. It will come out of the loop. So we will discuss the syntax first. Understanding syntax is very important. If you know the syntax, you can write any program, like any coding. Okay, so while loop repeats the same code as long as certain condition is true. Okay, so this is condition. This is condition. Just a sec. Just give me 1 minute. So this is condition. This is condition. This pink color box is condition. When this condition is true, what happens? Okay, it comes inside the block. So this is statement 1, statement 2, and statement is called while block. So this is called block. It comes here inside the block when the condition is true. It executes statement 1, statement 2, statement. Again it goes to up. Again it goes up and again checks the condition. Until it's looping until the condition becomes false. When the condition is true, it executes the statement blocks. It's keep on looping. When the condition becomes false, it will come out of the loop, it will exit the loop, or it will terminate the loop. That is the syntax of while loop. Okay, while loop. Now what we'll do? We'll do some examples. We'll do some examples using while loop. For example, I want to generate numbers. I want to generate numbers from 1 to 10, for example. For example, I want to generate numbers from 1 to 10 using while loop. Generating numbers from 1 to 10 using while loop. Now here, if you want to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, my starting number is what? My starting number is 1. Number is what? 1. Until how much I have to print? I want to print until less than or equals to 10. This is my condition. My starting number is 1 until I want to print less than or equals to 10. right? So I'll go to PyCharm. First, I'll declare one variable, I, because my starting number is 1. And the condition. The condition is what? While condition. Condition is what? 1, that is I, is less than or equals to 10. Okay? Relation operator, less than or equals to 10. Indentation. What do you know? I want to print I. Now the value is in the first loop, the value is 1. Now, second condition, again and again it goes up. Okay. Now here I have to increment this one because next I want to print 2. First I want to print 1, then I have to print 2, then I have to print 3. See, it is incrementing by 1. So I have to increment this I value to I plus 1. See, there is no increment operator in Python. In other language like C++ or Java, JavaScript, where I plus plus, but in Python, there is no increment operator. We have to increment like this, I equals to I plus 1. So I'll come here and I'll increment 1 by 1. Every loop I should increment by 1. Done. My program is done. My program is done. I'll execute this program. I will run this program. When I run this program, I will get the output as 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Here 1 to 10. Okay. Now my next requirement is what? I want to print 5 to 20. For example, I want to generate numbers from 5 to 20. 5, 6, 7, 10, 18, 19, 18, dot, 19, and 20. What is my start number? My start number is 5. So here I'll declare one variable I equals to 5 because I want to start from 5. I want to start from 5, then I have to print 6, then I have to print 7. So it is increment by 1. Yes, it is incrementing by 1. Now here written is I equals to I plus 1. Print I equal to I plus 1. And when I run this, the output will be from 5 to 20. I want to print until 20. So I have to change the condition now. Because I want to print until 20. So I'll remove 10, I'll put 20 here. And then I will run this program. Now here 5 to 20. Now this output is printing line by line and vertical. I want to print in horizontal way. If you want to print in horizontal way, in print statement, here just give here n equal to space. N equal to space. Now for every number, there'll be one space and it prints in horizontal fashion. Yes, it's printed in horizontal way. Right. Next, my requirement. My requirement is to print even numbers. Even numbers from 1 to 20, for example. From 1 to 20. I want to print even numbers. If you want to print even numbers, my starting number is what? My starting number is what? Is 2 because even numbers starts from 2. Okay. Next, after 2, next I want to print 4. Next I want to print 6, 8, 10. Dot 18, 20. See, this is incrementing by every number, it is incrementing by 2. So here starting number is 2. Okay, it's 2. Condition is same. I want to print even numbers between 1 to 20. And here, see here, not I equal I plus 1. Here it should be I equal to I plus 2 because I want to increment by 2 numbers. So here I'll say I equals to I plus 2. And then I will run this program. See, it is printing 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Right? Yes. I want to print odd numbers now. I want to print odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, dot, 17, 19. Until 20. What are the odd numbers between 1 to 20? 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Okay? 19. Until 19 I have to print. What is start number here? What is start number here? Start number is 1. And for each number, between each numbers, what is the increment? It is incrementing by 2. Start number is 1. It is incrementing by 2. So same logic, but here I'll come here and instead of 2, I'll give 1 here. Condition is same. Same. I want to print until 20 odd numbers and this increment is same. I want to increment by 2. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, like that. So it prints all the odd numbers. Right? What we'll now we will debug this program. So I'll put a breakpoint at line number 3 because my main logic starts from line number 3. Line number 3. So I put a breakpoint at line number 3. Then I'll click on this bug icon. Program control. The program control stopped at line number 3. Line number 3. Okay. Then what I'll do, I'll click on this. Just give a minute. Yes. I'll put console here. Console here. I'll select this console here. Console tab. And I'll click on this step over. What is the next step? 1 is less than or equals to 20. See here, 1. Right hand side. We always notice the right hand side. Huh? I equals to 1 now. Okay. I equals to 1. Condition I is less than or equal to 20. 1 is less than 20. The condition is true. It comes to line number 4 and it prints 1. It prints 1. See here. In the console, it is printed 1. Now, I equals to I plus 2. I is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. I becomes 3. I becomes here. I became 3 now. Okay. Now, 3 is less than or equal to 20. The condition is true. When the condition is true, it goes inside the block, inside the while block. It comes to line number 4. It prints 3 now. It prints 3. I equal to I plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Yes. See, I became 5 now. 5 is less than or equals to 20. Yes, the condition is true. So it prints 5 plus 2, 7. Okay. Same thing, 9. I becomes 9. Okay, condition true. It prints 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay. Then 13. Then 13. Then 15. 15. 17. And last loop, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. Condition is false. Now, when the condition is false, from line number 3, it comes out of the block. It comes out of the block. It won't go inside the block. And final output is what? My final output is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. So this is generating natural numbers, even numbers, odd numbers with debugging. Okay, now we'll see some more examples. Some more examples. For example, I want to sum the digits. For example, sum of digits of a given number. For example, my input is 1, 2, 3. What is my input? 1, 2, 3. And what is sum of this digits? 1 plus 2 plus 3. That is nothing but 6. If my input is 1, 2, 3, the output should be 6. If my input is 4, 5, 6, for example, my input is 4, 5, 6, and the output should be 4 plus 5 plus 6. It's nothing but how much? 15. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay, so we'll write this program. I'll go to PyCharm. I'll declare one variable, my input variable now. Okay, so I'll declare one variable called n. N is my input. N is my input and the value is 123. This is my input. And I'll declare one variable I equals to 1. No need I equals to 1. No need I equals to 1. Okay. Directly I'll write condition. What condition? This will loop until n becomes 0. So not equal to 0. This will loop until n becomes 0. N becomes 0. Okay. So for this program, we should know some operators. For this sum of digits of a given number, we should know some operators. For example, we should know this modulus operator. Okay. And we should know double slash operator. Double slash is floor division and this is modulus operator or remainder operator. Whatever you can say. Modulus or remainder. And this is a floor division. Floor division. This we should know these two operators if you want to do this program. So now I'm checking the condition. What? Until n becomes 0, keep on looping. Now at line number 1, the value of n is 123. So this should loop. This should loop until n becomes 0. So that's why I written if while n not equal to 0. Now here what will do? I want to find out the remainder. So reminder, I'll declare one variable called reminder. Reminder equals to what? N my input percentage 10. Percentage 10. Right. Next, sum equals to sum plus remainder. So I have to declare some variable. This is my input. So here I'll come here. I'll declare one variable sum and the initial value is 0. Remainder equals to n percentage n, sum equal to sum plus remainder, and n equals to n double slash 10. Okay, come here and we will debug this program. First, we'll see the output, then we will debug this program. You will understand properly. Easily will understand. What I'll do now, I'll print this sum. This is my output. Okay, my input is 123 and sum. I'm printing the sum. So sum of digits of this given number 1 plus 2 plus 3, it is nothing but 6. So when I run this program, you should get 6 here. See, we got 6. See how we got 6? We'll debug now. We will debug. So what I'll put one breakpoint here at line number 4. And I'll start debugging. Right. So it stopped exactly at line number 4. N not equal to 0. Yes. Because see here, right hand side n is 123 and sum is 0. You have to see these values. Huh? Always remember you have to check these values. These values, huh? Not left hand side. You have to check these values here. Always remember. Right. Condition is true. Condition is true. So it comes to line number 5. It comes to line number 5. Remainder equals to n percentage 10. It comes to line number 5. It will execute line number 5. What is line number 5? Remainder equals to n percentage 10. When you divide 123 by 10, what is the remainder? The remainder is 3. Okay. Simple technique. Simple technique. 123. What is the large digit? The large digit is 3. Okay. And that is the remainder. Right. So 123 divided by 10, the remainder is 3. So in remainder, what is the value? 3 here. Please check here. Check here. Always checks these values. Always. So remainder is 3 here. Remainder is 3. Okay. Right. Next. Sum equal to sum plus remainder. What is sum? Sum is 0. Remainder is 3. 0 plus 3. How much? 3. So when you click on this step over, sum is 3 now. See here, sum is 3. N equal to n double slash 10. N double slash. See what is double slash? Double slash is floor division. Okay. You won't get in decimal point. Okay. You won't get in decimal point. So 123 double slash 10. When you divide 123 by 10, the quotient is 12. Okay. 12. Actually 12.3 single slash, but double slash is what? Floor division. So floor division will give you the whole number, that is 12. The technique is what? When you remove the 3 and what is the remaining? It is 12. So now n becomes 12. So when I click on this step over, see here what happened? N became 12. Right. Now again we'll check the condition. What? While n not equal to 0. What is n? 12. 12 is not equal to 0. Yes. The condition is true. So it comes to line number 5. It comes to line number 5. Okay. When I click on step over, it comes to line number 5. N percentage 10. 12 divided by 10. The remainder is large digit. That is nothing but 2. That is the technique here. Okay. When you divide 10 by 12 by 10, the remainder is what? 2 here. Simple technique, the large digit 2. So the remainder is not what now? 2 here. See, it is 2. Please watch this rectangle red color boxes. Remainder is 2. Now, calculate sum equal to sum plus remainder. Sum is what? 3. What is the remainder? 2. 3 plus 2, how much? 5. So, sum becomes 5. See, sum became 5. Now, next, n equal to n double slash 10. What is n? 12. When you divide 12 by 10, floor division, okay, no decimal point. So, it will be what? 2 here. The last digit. So, n becomes 1 now. N becomes 1. Condition is true. Yes, the condition is true because 1 is not equal to 0. Condition is true. So it comes to line number 5. Yes. Now, what is the remainder? When you divide a single digit, by 10, the remainder is the same number. Okay. 1 divided by 10. The remainder is the same number, that is 1. So remainder is what? 1. Sum equal to sum plus remainder. Sum is already 5. 5 plus remainder, 5 plus 1 is 6. So sum contains 6. See, sum has 6 now. N equal to n double slash 10. So 1 double slash 10. 1 double slash 10. When you divide 1 by 10, the quotient is 0. Okay, the result will be 0. So now see there, see the value of n. The value of n is 0 now, became 0. Now it checks the condition. What? N not equal to 0, 0 not equal to 0. No, the condition is false. The condition is false. From line number 4, it jumps to line number 9. Because the condition is false, it will terminate the loop, it will exit the loop, or it will come out of the loop, and it prints what? Some value. What is some value? Some value 6 here. Yes. My input is 123 and my output is 6 here. So this is a sum of digits of a given number. Right. We understand sum of digits of a given number. Now what do we do? Second program using while loop. Using while second program, how to print a reverse of a given number? How to reverse a given number? Given number. For example, my input is 123. We'll take same number. My input is 123. What is the reverse of 123? When you reverse 123, the reverse number is what? Reverse is what? 3 to 1. My input is 123. Okay, it should reverse this number. It should reverse to 123. 320. Sorry, MS. This is my original number 123. When you reverse this, it should become 3 to 1. Okay, right. I'll come to PyCharm. This is my input. Let me remove all these things. My input is 123, and I'll declare one variable called reverse. Reverse equals to 0. Same condition what? While n not equal to 0. Indentation. Not equal to 0, indentation. Okay, same thing. Reminder, I want to find reminder. Reminder equals to what? N percentage 10. Right. No, reverse equals to reverse into 10 plus reminder. We'll debug this program. Reminder, and same n equals to n double slash 10. Done. I'll come out of the loop, and then what I'll print? I'll print a reverse value. I'll print reverse value. Yes. First, we'll execute the program, then we'll put a breakpoint and we'll debug this program. We'll understand the logic. Run the program. When I run the program, what is my input? My input is 123. 123. And when I run this program, it is reversed to 3 to 1. 3 to 1. So what I'll do? I'll put one breakpoint here at line number 4. And click on this icon, the bug icon, or go to run option, click on this type debug. Both are same. Both are same. And I'm click on this debug icon. So it starts debugging from line number 4. So see the right hand side values. Okay. See the right hand side values. I'll draw one box here. And these are the values. Keep on changing. Keep on changing these values. Okay. Every loop, keep on changing these values. So now what I do? I want to find out now we see the condition. What is condition? What is condition? N not equal to 0. 123 is not equal to 0. Yes. The condition is true. The condition is true. So it comes inside the block. It comes inside the block to line number 5. Because the condition is true, it comes to block. Yes. It came to block. Okay. And remember equals to n percentage 10. 123 divided by 10. The remainder is what? The last digit. That is 3. That is 3. So remainder contains what here? 3 here. Now see, I'll draw a box here. I'll draw a box here. Remainder is what? 3. Yes. N equal to reverse is 3. and execute here, line number 6. Okay, the remainder is 3. N equal to n double slash 10. N is what? 123. When you divide 123 by 10, what is floor division? 12. Okay, actually 12.3 if it normal divide, floor divide, but double floor division, double slash, it will give 12. Okay, remove that 3, remove that remainder, remaining letters, these are what? 12. Right? So that is the technique. It becomes 12 now. N equal to n double slash 10. N becomes 12. Here n became 12. Reverse is 3, remainder is 3. Okay. Now, condition. 12 is not equal to 0. Yes, 12 is not equal to 0. So it comes inside the block. Inside the block. This is block. Okay. This is block. Remainder equals to n percentage 10. 12 percentage 10. 12 divided by 10. What is the remainder? The last digit, that is nothing but 2. So remainder contains what now? 2. So you see here, remainder is 2. Next, reverse equals to reverse into 10 plus remainder. Reverse is 3. 3 into 10, 30. 30 plus 2, 32. So now reverse. What is the value of reverse? The value of reverse is 32. Yes. N equal to n double slash 10. When you divide 12 by floor division 10, it becomes 1. 1. Okay. Yes, it is 1 now. 1 is not equal to 0. Yes, 1 is not equal to 0. So it comes to line number 5. 1 divided by 10. When you divide one single digit by 10, the remainder is same number. When you divide any single digit by 10, the remainder is same number. So remainder, what contains remainder now? 1 only. 1. Reverse equal to 10. Reverse equals to reverse into 10 plus remainder. Reverse is what? 32. 32 into 10, 320. 320 plus remainder 1, 321. So reverse contains 321 now. See here, see the value of reverse? 3 to 1. N equal to n double slash 10. 1 double slash 10. When you divide 1 by 10, floor division, okay, the value becomes 0. N will be 0 now. When you divide 1 by 10, what is the result? The result is 0. Floor division, okay, 0. So, n becomes 0 now. See here, 0. 0 not equal to 0. No, condition false. Condition is false. Directly from line number 4, it jumps to line number 9. Because the condition is false, it won't go to block. This is called block. This line number 5, 6, 7 is called block. Okay, I'll show you. So this is called block actually. This, okay, this is block. This pink color box is block. Now, when the condition is false, it won't go inside the while block and it will come out of the block. Come out of the block. And finally, what is the value of reverse? The value of reverse is 321. See here, this 3 to 1 and it prints 3 to 1. What is my input? My input is 123 and my output is 3 to 1. So this is a way to know the how to reverse a number. Okay. In next session, we'll discuss some more concepts on while loop. We'll discuss some more programs using while loop. Okay. If you like this video, please click on like button and share our channel. Okay. Thank you very much.